Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we're going to learn how to take screenshot on your Android mobile phone. Taking screenshot on your mobile phone is very simple. Here I'll be teaching 3 of the simplest way to do it. First and foremost, the most easiest is take 3 of your fingers and just slide down on your screen like this. And boom, here you go, you got a photo. You can just go to your photos and check out the new screenshot that you just took. So the other way you can do it is pressing the power button and lower volume button at the same time. And here's the thing, for this you need to do at the same time. If you just press the volume button first, you will just be simply decreasing the volume. So you need to do this at the same time. And here you have a screenshot. And the third way that I am going to teach you is all the Android phone, if you notice in your corner you have this whitish icon. So if you just drag here, you get this option. So here you get various shortcuts. These are basically the shortcuts on your mobile phone. So there is this option, screen recording and screenshot. We can just tap in screenshot, and here you go, you have your third simple way of taking a screenshot. Thank you so much for watching the video. If it was helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to get more of these content. And if you have any queries, you may comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.